Alright, listen for a second. You know that moment when you sit down and think, this better be worth my time? That's exactly where it starts with the Alienware 18 Area-51. This is for the kind of person who refuses to shrink their expectations just because it's a laptop. You want scale. You want authority. You want something that feels serious the second you open it. You've outgrown portable compromises and undersized performance pretending to be premium. Before you go any further, check the current price and availability. Machines like this don't stay consistent in stock, and hesitation usually costs more later. There's a clear upgrade moment you'll recognize. You fire up a demanding game or a heavy workload and instinctively expect limits. Thermal throttling. Frame drops. Fan noise stealing your focus. And then it doesn't happen. Everything just keeps moving forward, like the system was built for this pace all along. Leaving behind smaller, strained laptops feels like relief more than excitement. You stop worrying about dialing things back. You stop wondering if you're pushing too hard. You finally trust the machine to carry the load without drama. You feel it in high refresh competitive sessions where motion stays locked and responsive. You feel it in cinematic single-player games where scale and detail actually matter. You feel it during long creative sessions, rendering, editing, multitasking, where nothing stutters or begs for patience. Even everyday use feels different when power isn't something you have to manage. This isn't about raw specs on paper. It's about dominance. The system feels planted, confident, unbothered by pressure. Like it's daring you to throw more at it. If you're even considering it, don't wait around for stock swings or sudden price jumps. High-end gaming laptops tend to punish indecision. You might hesitate because it feels like a big step. That hesitation usually comes from years of adapting to less. Here, that size and power translate into stability, longevity, and freedom from constant upgrading. The surprise benefit shows up after a while. You stop thinking of it as a laptop. It feels like a full-scale battle station you just happen to be able to move. There's real pride in owning something built at this level. You feel it every time you open the lid. It signals that you don't negotiate with performance anymore. Feels powerful without effort, handles pressure like nothing, big screen pulls you in long sessions, stays smooth, feels unapologetically premium, not exactly travel-friendly. Power comes with weight eventually. The comparison loop breaks. You stop juggling options and realize you've been circling the same machine because it's the one that actually fits who you are now. Don't let this turn into the upgrade you keep postponing while your current setup keeps reminding you why you wanted more. If this matches your standards, trust that instinct, lock it in, and enjoy every session from here on out.